Alright, good morning YouTube. Friends, subscribers, internet strangers, what's up? So I was trying to get away from doing the ordinary on this trip. Oh, here's a hotel room tour. But this is not the ordinary. Here's a hotel room tour. Alright, so I got this hotel on hotwire for $69. Sweet. As you can see, I'm on the 8th floor of the APA hotel. Everything looks normal. You got a bed, you got a chair, a couple of nightstands, a large TV. That doesn't make the placement of the lamp in front of the mirror doesn't make a lot of sense. Got a nice view. I'll give you a view out the other side in a second. The sun struggles on this side. That is some building here in Woodbridge, New Jersey. Okay, so here's where the fun stuff begins. All right, well, I guess the other mirror doesn't matter. What's up? So, looks like your typical bathroom, right? Yes, this is the morning after. So, until you look there. A bidet. They knew the bearded picker was coming and was tired. They must have known I needed to freshen up. Never used one of those before. That was kind of interesting. And you can stop the thought process right now. There is no demonstration video of that. I have saved your sanity. I have saved your mind. Okay, so here's the other room. This is the adjoining room to the hotel. As you can see, there's a couch, another chair, a full desk, another TV. This is a huge suite. Another full bathroom, which we didn't even get to. And yes, it has the same thing. Another bidet. So the bearded picker got double bidets today. Here's our view out the other side. I don't know if you guys can see that plane that's taking off, but this is Woodbridge, New Jersey. I'm probably 28 miles from Staten Island, New York. Not sure if I'll make it there or not. I'm probably gonna source half the day and then drive halfway back tonight, so that when I get up in the morning, I can just drive home. But I just want to show you guys the hotel. This is a kick-ass room. One of the biggest hotel rooms I've ever had, and I've been doing this for 4.5 years. And of course, it was a day that I planned to do no inventory, so I couldn't take advantage of the large size other than just to really relax. So, hey, hope you guys are gonna have a great week. I still have one more great day of sourcing and a few sources tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Roll Tide.